I have built several SAP AI procurement programs. The ones that struggle to prove ROI have something in common. They started with the AI. They asked, what AI can we build on SAP? They got an answer. They built it. And then 12 months later, they could not prove whether the process had actually improved or not because nobody had measured the baseline. Signavio solves this problem. This video explains the closed loop, how process mining and Signa with Signavio and intelligent automation with SAP BTP AI work together to create a continuously improving procurement process. Without Signavio, AI programs start from assumptions. Which use case has the highest ROI? You guess. Is the AI actually improving things? You cannot prove it. What was the baseline before AI? You never measured it. Program sponsor asks for ROI at 12 months. You have anecdotal evidence and a dashboard. With Signavio, process intelligence discovers exactly where the process is broken with quantified baselines. Evidence tells you which AI use case to build first. AI core fixes the identified problem, and Signavio measures without whether it worked. Continuous improvement becomes architectural, not accidental. What a Signavio process intelligence investigation typically finds in a P2P process: 22% maverick buying rate, POs created without a preceding PR. PR approval averaging 4.2 days with a 90th percentile of 11 days. And when you drill in, one approval level that only processes request on Tuesdays and Fridays. 34% three-way match failure rate concentrated in 3 vendor accounts. 18% of spend going off contract despite an approved source list existing. Those four findings translate directly into four AI use cases: supplier recommendation to address maverick buying, AI assisted approval routing to address the bottleneck, three-way match automation by vendor type, and price anomaly detection for off-contract spend. Prioritized by business impact, evidence, not assumption. 6 steps in the loop. Discover. Signavio process intelligence mines S/4HANA event, logs and identifies where the process is broken. Prioritize use case selection based on quantified business impact. Fix SAP AI core on BTP, builds and deploys the intelligent intervention. Embed, integration suite, and Fiori make the AI part of daily buyer workflow. Measure Signavio conformance, checking runs again and compares before and after. Improve override data and conformance findings, feed the next AI core retraining cycle. Then the loop repeats. DMN, decision model and notation, is the governance layer that connects Signavio to your AI logic. BPMN shows that a decision is made. DMN shows how it is made. The threshold rules that govern when the AI approves automatically, when it flags to the buyer, and when it escalates to the CPO, all live in DMN tables in Signavio. Business analysts own these rules. They change thresholds without touching the AI model. If the CPO decides that the escalation threshold for price anomalies should drop from 30% to 20%, that is a DMN table update in Signavio. Done in minutes, no developer required, no model redeployment. 5 takeaways. Signavio and BTP AI solve different problems. Discovery and measurement versus remediation. Without process mining, AI programs start from assumptions. With Signavio, they start from evidence. The closed loop is discover, prioritize, fix, embed, measure, improve, repeat. DMN tables govern AI decision boundaries. Business owns the rules. And this combination is what most procurement organizations are moving towards. Very few practitioners can deliver both sides. Subscribe. Final video next, how to transition from SAP MM to SAP AI.